In this video, I'll show you how to change the country on Instagram. To display a country or region on your profile, you'll need to use a business account. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, select Account Type and Tools. If you're not already using a professional account, tap Switch to Professional Account and follow the setup process. When prompted to choose an account type, select Business. If you already have a business account, go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Under Public Business Information, select Contact Options. Here, you can update your business address or region information. After updating it, tap Profile Display and make sure Display Contact Info is turned on. If this option is disabled, your location information won't appear on your profile. Once everything is saved, return to your profile and refresh the page. Your updated country or region should now be displayed. And that's how to change the country or region on Instagram. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.